全員座っていますか？では、今回1367番、1367番踏ん張ります。行きましょう。せーの、踏ん張って安静、立ち上がって確認してください。ナイス、バッチリです。それでは、最後は踏ん張り仕上げをしていきましょう。
Hawakan mo ng picture tayo dyan. Tayo dyan, tayo dyan. Tayo dyan.
使ってください。確認します。
Ay, look down. Oh my God!
Nice, You can take it. You can take it. Present for you. 手に取ってお持ち帰りください。それではメンバー交換していきましょう。メンバーチェンジから
Literal tayo.
出ていきます。
One more. Ikaw naman, tayo dalawa. You know, you can draw there. Hindi na, you can draw your book. What's inside? Exit na yan. Kuyan mo sila ng cookie dyan. Ano na next? Yee, tayo mo green.
Kaya nga gold eh, ano kamaya?
Oh, at least gold sa akin. Mira, let's look there. You can draw your tae.
No, there's a mirror maid. The mirror maid.
Okay, but first you draw your tae there, this one.
Hey, hold this.
Okay. Okay. Ganyan tayo mo? Puso game. What is puso game? Okay, go ka dyan. You can go inside. Remove your shoes. Sige na, picture kita dyan. Tayo na yung picture mo ako doon mamaya. You have to catch all the poop. Uy! Ha! Ano ba? Ano ba dapat tagalan mo? Ito daw ko.
Kahit anong yung ba?
Bansol! Saan ba sisigaw?
Ano ba to?
Hello!
Yan. Alam, pwede na minutes na.
Woohoo! Dahil pala ganun. Shout out the mic. Go. Look what happened to your poop. It's only 6.2. Only as tall as a giraffe. You want to try it again? You have to make it like super big. Okay.
Louder?
Louder and... Okay. 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 Go.
Maliit ha.
Oh, it becomes smaller. It's only like an elephant.
I literally did so loud.
Okay, make it like... Woo! Ganon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Wow! 15.2! Woo! Statue of Liberty. Woo! Nice.